DailyPay versus Payactiv. Differences and which one is best. Advance payment. At first, DailyPay and Payactiv can sound almost identical. Both are built around earned wage access, both let workers get money before payday, and both try to look like the faster, smarter option. But the real split is not the branding. It is what happens when you actually want the advance payment to feel easy, low friction, and useful more than once. One platform keeps things more flexible. The other becomes much more attractive only if you accept its own setup. And that small detail is what decides which one really feels better in daily use. What actually matters here. If you compare these two seriously, the smart filter is simple. Look at how the money arrives, what it costs to get it faster, and what each system needs from you before the best version of the service unlocks. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. That matters because neither app works in a vacuum. Both depend on employer participation, but the smoother option is usually the one that gives you early access without forcing you too deeply into a separate car or extra payroll habit just to make the math look good. DailyPay more flexible for straight advanced access. Daily's main strength is that the advanced payment experience feels more direct.
Its official terms say users can access some or all of their unpaid earnings, choose at least 2 delivery options, and send funds either instantly or by next business day ACH.
The standard next business day ACH option is free, while instant transfer fees are disclosed as a flat range up to $3.99, depending on the setup. What makes DailyPay more appealing in this comparison is that it is designed around accessing pay as it is earned, with balances updating as shifts are worked, and it does not make a proprietary card the center of the value story. The trade-off is that it is still tied to employer setup, and its terms say users need to link a bank account and set up the feature through the hiring entity before using it. Payactiv better if you commit to its ecosystem. Payactiv is strong, but its best version is more conditional. Its official pricing says standard earned wage access options like 1 to 3 day ACH can be free, and instant access can also be free if you use a Payactiv Visa card with at least $200 in direct deposit per pay period. Without that setup, expedited transfers cost more, including $2.49 to a Payactiv card without qualifying direct deposit and $3.49 to a non-Payactiv debit or payroll card. There is another important limit here. Payactiv says users can access up to 50% of earned wages, which is useful but more clearly capped in the public materials than DailyPay's broader earned pay language. So, Payactiv can work very well, especially if you already want its current direct deposit flow, but it feels less open if you want flexibility first and ecosystem commitment second. Which one is actually best? If the question is strictly advanced payment, DailyPay is the stronger overall pick. The biggest reason is not hype. It is that DailyPay gives you a clean free ACH option, flat fee instant transfers, and a more flexible feel around how you receive your money, without making its own card the key to unlocking the best version of the service. Payactiv still has a real case if you are comfortable using the Payactiv card and meeting the direct deposit threshold. In that specific setup, it can become very competitive. But outside that narrower path, DailyPay usually feels easier to justify for everyday early pay access. The answer after the marketing. So the loop closes here. These two platforms only seem equally simple until you ask the question most people skip at the start. Which one gives you earlier pay with less dependence on a special setup? That is why DailyPay comes out ahead for most people comparing advance payment alone, while Payactiv makes more sense for users who are happy to lean into its card-based system. The better option is not the one that sounds faster in an ad, it is the one that stays easier when real life gets messy. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.